If you want to edit your profile, you have to click on your profile photo icon and go to View Your Account. Here you can update your personal information. You can fill in details of your name, phone number, date of birth, and location. You can also add education and other links. It is important to set up your personal interests so your feed becomes relevant to you and your interests. For example, cooking. Also, select your professional interest, for example, design.